Hey y'all, how y'all doing today? I hope y'all happy. Today Friday. I don't know when this is gonna be out, but today I'm going to do a day in a life with me, and I'm going to be going to my mom's house, and she's gonna be helping me do grants, some loans for my business, so I can just improve my business even more. I got my tripod. I'm gonna show y'all the things that we do, and then also it's blazing today. I don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the day. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the day, but I will take y'all along that process with me. And I hope and pray that everybody's happy, they're longevity, successful, and they're motivated to get their dreams and goals accomplished today. Y'all do something spontaneous today and stay happy and blessed. I'm speaking love, light, and positivity on you all, and just be happy to live your life. Do anything that makes you happy today. Don't let nobody discourage you or make you feel some type of way. I love y'all. Peace, blessings, and positivity. Bye, y'all. I'm up. See y'all soon. Not bye. I'm just happy. First, so go to the loan process. So wait, do I do the target events or no? The target events will come up after you apply, right? That didn't come up. That came up first. The grant came up first? The target event. Let me screen record this for the people. I gotta help them niggas out too. Okay, we'll just start practicing. Wait, so I gotta redo the EDIA? And then I gotta Okay, let's go. No. So what they're gonna do is they're either gonna approve you or turn you down. No, they approve me. For the EDIA? No, they're gonna approve me. For the target event. And then they'll send you something about the target events afterwards. Alright. So don't do the target event right now. Only do unless you want to search the other one that you sent out before. And if I did and I say I got denied, then what? Then you go ahead and you'll have to enter the information in, and then they'll go ahead and send it to you because you've already went through the process. Oh, okay. I'm good. Look. All right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So you guys, right here, I'm just showing you the targeted events loan that you can apply for and get $15,000 for your small business. You guys, I have tutorials coming soon on EIN numbers and how to better your business.
Step one, y'all. We can skip two. So I don't know about step one, y'all. Hopefully it's in my iPad, but if it's not, that's on y'all. It should ask you for the application number. All right, let's go ahead and start applying. We scroll on down. We say that we are lit. Hi, you guys. So, welcome back to Shaughnessy. Say hey. 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 Yes, love that. So, Malu is getting a haircut. You ready to get your haircut?
No.
What you mean? What you mean? So, Malu's getting a haircut. My friend wanted to get his haircut for him, and it's very, very sweet. Hold on, my friend's calling me. Hold on, y'all. Get a haircut. You ready to go get your haircut? Yeah. Okay, good. Good. You ready? Yeah? I'm excited about this. Stop. Hold on, let me try. Do you know what? Are you excited? I'm excited. Wait, no. Can you shape up the, clean up the sides, shape up the back? Okay. Look. You like that? Yeah.
During this time, I got to experience Malachi more than anything, his patience and how he would sit there and get a haircut. I really got to experience my little person got his first haircut at an actual barbershop. It made me super, super happy to see his face and to see the end results and how he sat inside of the chair. Being a mom has really taught me so much how to be more patient, how to show more love, and be more happy for my child because he is so special to me. I really appreciate him, and I thank God for the gift of my son. And I love you, Malachi, so much. I'm truly grateful to have you in my life, and you are my bundle of joy. You make me truly, truly smile, and I'm just truly blessed to have you in my life. And I thank God for you. I love you, baby.
Are you happy? You know how you look? You want to see how you look? Okay. Hold on. Yay! You know how. Come here. Look, look. Look right here. Look right there. You like how you look? You like your haircut? Say thank you. All right, sit down. Sit down. Oh.